when rebuilding an engine, alright? Okay. Check for wear in the piston rings. I also did a compression test before this, so I know that each one of these is around about 120 psi, and with the oil it increased, so that tells me it's rings. Now, when removing the head from the EXA, okay, remove with caution. You can leave the exhaust manifold on it like I have here, but it is advised not to. A brand I highly recommend is ACL. They are really good. On another note, while your car is jacked up, you can get under and inspect all moving parts. This is how I intend to hold my exhaust up. It's great and it's cheap. A bit of newspaper underneath the engine is good too, just in case you want to have a shit or a piss. I'm now going to start disassembling the pistons, the con rods and the bottom end while the engine is in the car. This makes life a lot easier without the use of an engine hoist. Oh, I forgot one more important tool. The beer. Oh, another tool. Oh, another one. And it should come off like so. Just removing the pistons. Go beneath the vehicle, sump is removed. And you have exposed the crank. You undo these rod bolts. Here, rotate it, and do these. Okay, bolts off, and use your screwdriver to push the pistons through the top, like so. You can actually see a bit of scuffing. You can see the oil is getting past the oil seal rings there. Okay, T-hone the bores. Now I've done this in 2 stages. Our light tension setting. Now we've done the heavy tension setting. We want to get about a 32, maybe 35 degree angle on the crosshatch. That way the rings will bed in correctly. Trust the old WD on the bore. Give it some lube. And here we go. Up and down. And there you have the 30 degree angle. Can you see it backwards and forwards there? Now, when installing the pistons, sorry, I'll go back a bit. When putting the bearings on the pistons, okay, you must be very careful. Okay, cod rod end bearings. These must be cleaned, free of any dirt of any sort before replacing. Now I have my rods that have been machined. Okay, they're ready, they're already installed. Good rod, nice rod. Shouldn't break, hopefully. What is very important when installing the rings on the pistons is you follow the correct procedure, i.e. the ring gaps must be on opposite ends of the piston, otherwise compression will be down, oil will pass the rings and cause many problems. See? Opposite ends. Okay. Here you can see I've already put in pistons 1 and 4. Engine runs as expected. From a mechanic like myself. It's on fire, but it's all good. Fire's good for the hands, keep your hands warm. Engine purrs Now I'm just going to let it bed in a bit. Not one leak from underneath the vehicle. So now I just got to run it in.